welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In this video we're coming to you guys from a city called Miami Springs. They're having a really nice car show here in celebration of 4th of July. If it is your first time passing by my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like my content, don't forget to like. With that being said, let's see what they have here. So first what I'm gonna do is do a quick walk around. I'm gonna show you guys all the cars that they have here, and then we're gonna go individually to each and every single one of them that I like the most, and that I think that you guys are gonna like the most. So out of all the Mustangs that are in this show, this is one of my favorite looking ones. 84 Mustang GT with a 5.0 swap Coyote. This is so sick.
So sick.
What engine is that?
That's a 5.0 Coyote engine.
Happy 4th of July. All right, don't forget our great vendors out here tonight. We got barbecue, gum, grill going over here. We got Bruce over here with all the cool knickknacks and diecast and cool stuff. Sweet healthy ice cream in the house. That's the best ice cream I've had in a long time.
Hey, this is yours?
Yeah,
Do you mind telling me a little bit about it?
it's a replica of Edsel Speedster. Edsel made one for himself in 1934. It was never produced, just they make only one for them. And we made this replica like 5 years ago.
What year is it?
34.
1934. What type of engine do you have in there? V12 or something?
No, it's a V8, a Mercury V8, flathead.
Can I take a look at it?
Yeah, let me open it.
That is nice. Amigo, ¿este carro es usted?
No, mío es.
¿Y me puede hablar un poquito de este carro?
Hablar,
Sí.
¿no? Que es una mierda.
¿Es una mierda? Dice que es una mierda.
Ahí tú puedes decirlo, ¿ves?
¿De qué año es este? Este es un 56. Ah, 56.
Pelea.
Convertible sin corona. ¿Y el motor es original?
No tiene.
Se lo cambié.
Tiene un motor que te gusta a ti, con Betty.
Ah, 5.7.
Ajá.
Ay, pero no eres bobo, te gusta correr. ¿Y el interior?
No, todo tiene, sí.
Ven acá, dime una cosita. ¿Y este
Freno
carro?
de pastilla, dirección hidráulica, aire acondicionado, todo.
Todos los periquitos.
Todo
¿Y este carro por qué te lo compraste? ¿Tenías este en Cuba, uno parecido o era el mismo?
No, Cuba no deja de sacar un alfilete ya, si tú te vas.
Si tenías uno parecido en Cuba.
No, de este año no. Sí, tuve uno y lo vendía. Yo compraba y lo vendía.
¿Verdad? Me gusta
56,
mucho el color ese, parece un caramelo.
Sí.
Está muy bonito. ¿Cuál es su nombre?
Un oro, José.
José, un placer.
Mucho gusto,
Gracias. Guys, this is by all means one of the best car shows in South Florida. We're gonna keep on walking around. There's a ton of cars that I still want to show you guys. Me personally, I like all of them, but if I put them all in this video will be 30 minutes long. So let's go ahead and continue. This truck that I have behind me is one of the baddest trucks in Miami. It was built by King Records. By all means, it's one of the best cars or best trucks in this event.
How close do you want me to that? Over there? A little closer?
That's a 57 Chevy. Yeah, it's got a 350. Bored out to a 355. It's got a crane cam, 440 lift, 780 dual pumper Holly. Got about 550 horsepower.
No way.
It's got a turbo 350 transmission
Okay.
with a manual valve body, 3-speed, reverse pattern.
How long did it take you to get it to look this way?
Well, it took me about 2 years. I bought it in '95, took it apart, and finished it like in '97.
The car came out really nice. I really like the color. Can you tell me a little bit about the
The
interior?
color is from a Corvette, '94 Corvette.
Nice.
It's called Hawaiian Orchid. The interior is not velour. I forgot the name of it. Started off as a drag car, but then it turned out a little bit too nice. So
Very nice.
I just take it to shows.
And if you guys are in the market for a Chevy Deluxe, I'm gonna film this car and I'm also gonna put on the video the phone number so that if you guys want to contact the owner and buy it, you can do so. Also, right behind me we have a 1966 Ford Mustang that is also for sale. In case you guys are looking for a Mustang with no rust, here's the contact info.
Sunshine Corvette Club in the house.
I'm gonna give you a quick walk around so that you guys can see what it looks like.
Must have snuck in.
And over on this side we have the Volkswagen Club. I'm not gonna lie, this car looks pretty good and I like it because it looks very solid, no rust at all. I'm gonna give you guys a quick view.
try to see that thing though.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to let me know with a like. And again, if it is your first time passing by this channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media at Generation Old School. Again, happy 4th of July. Tomorrow we don't work, so I'm happy about that. I'll see you guys on my next video. Adios.